All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set that we just had done for a customer. Now, this one here is a 925 sterling silver with gold plated finish. You can see around each tooth there, you got the yellow border. Okay, in the middle there, you got your diamond dust finish, which gives it that nice sparkle and pop. Check that out. Okay, now this is a set, but you could do a top, you could do a bottom, you could do the set. It's up to you. You choose how many teeth you want. And check us out. Let us make you the grill to your specifications using a mold of your impressions. Okay, and then we'll send that in and we'll start working on your grills. This is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check it out. Here's the backside. Snaps right on the teeth there. You see how this is just, it's a perfect fit. You don't need any silicone or anything like that to keep the grills on. They just stay on by pressure, you know, and it's actually made from the impression of the customer's teeth, so it's gonna fit like a glove. All right, well, there it is, guys. blingcartel.com, guys. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.